The Barbell Power Clean and Jerk is an advanced strength exercise to help build power, explosiveness, and overall athleticism. To get started, with the barbell on the floor, set up with a slightly wider than hip width stance with the balls of your feet under the barbell. Squat down to grip the barbell with an overhand grip just outside shoulder width. Your shoulders should be over the bar with a neutral neck and a strong flat back. Contract your lats, press your feet into the floor, and explosively extend your hips and knees to lift the bar off the floor. Once the bar rises to the knees, explosively shrug your shoulders while keeping the bar close to the body. As the bar reaches your mid-thigh, allow it to bump your thighs as you jump upwards to extend your body as you raise the bar to your shoulders. With your elbows pointing slightly out, pull your body under the barbell by bending your knees to catch the bar on your shoulders. Immediately extend your legs to a full standing position. If needed, adjust your grip, then with the weight on your heels, dip down by bending your knees and ankles, then explosively drive upwards with your legs and press the barbell up overhead as you land in a split leg position, with one leg in front of the other, with the front shin vertical to the floor and the back knee slightly bent and up on your toes. Bring your feet back to side by side. Lower the barbell to your shoulders, then bend your knees and lower the barbell back to your thighs. Then lower it to the ground, maintaining a strong flat back. Repeat. Make sure you subscribe for more Live Lean exercise demos.